Hi everyone, so hope you are doing great. So today I'm here with my new illustration of how to draw a bralette. So let's get start. First I'm gonna start with my skin rendering, and for that I'm using the lightest shade for skin color first. I'm gonna start with the face and then the full body. So let's see how it goes. And then I'm gonna use some dark colors for shadings. And now I'm gonna blend it with little bit of water. You can also blend it or leave it just like that, it will be fine. But if you are leaving it like that without blending it water, you have to blend properly with pencil only, and use very little water and wipe your brush with the tissue paper time to time. So now I'm done with the skin rendering. So now I'm gonna start with the coloring the coat of yellow color. So I'm going with the light color, as I wanted a coat really dark, so I'm going for a really dark color by applying light layer first, and then I'll add more color and less water in it, and keep layering until you are satisfied with the color you want. So here you guys can see I'm using a dark pencil for giving shadow effect in my illustration, and keep the pencil sharpened so that you can give a fine details of it. Use a earbud if you want for blending the colors. Earbuds blend the colors, especially the pencil color, very well, and I really like to use in my illustration. I'm using that earbud in many illustrations, as it blends the color very well. So now I'm starting coloring the hair. I'm going with the light gray color, giving it stroke and then blending it with water. And this is, I'm using dark Staedtler pencil of black color, and this is a Faber-Castell pencil with a sharpened edge. Like, you have to give a point very sharpened for giving a very fine detail. And also you guys can use a black pen for making it more darker, as I am using it in this illustration. So guys, I'm starting with the pant and I'm giving it a color of brown, and I'm gonna make it really dark. So I'm using really dark stroke of it, and with the flat brush, this is, I'm giving little bit of border, and then I'm gonna color it all over of it, and then I'll show how I'm giving a shadow and highlight effect later. For wherever you want to use highlight, you just have to add little bit of more water to give it a highlight effect, and use more color where you want to show shadow effect. You will see in this illustration later. Now you guys can see I have added only water in my illustration for making it very dark, where the light is coming. That's where the highlight, and the second part will be the shadow. Well, this went really dark, so I'm making it again little lighter. Well, it took me really long for blending the color and deciding how dark and light I want, so it took me really long. You guys can see how I made it a really big or small mistake over here, which later I'm gonna done with the water. And if you guys ever made a mistake like this, you can use the water. You can reactivate the color. If it's a Camlin Artist watercolor paint, it easily gets activate, and use water to make it a even tone. You guys can see the difference, and now I'm just using little bit of water to making it a even tone. Yes, you guys can see that how it's blending really well now. There is the big benefit of using Camlin Artist watercolor, because it gets reactivate very easily with little bit of water, and if you have made any mistake you can just rectify it again. And now I'm going to give a very darker shade of shadow effect in the pan. One side I'm gonna keep it really dark, so I'm just using more of color and very less of water with this, just so I can spread the color very well. That's how only I'm using water in the very little. Now you guys can see it's looking really nice how the entire effect has become, like one side it's very dark and the another is very light, and it's looking really good. And now I'm gonna start with the bralette designing, and you can use any black ball pen or gel pen or any fine detailing pen. I'm using here it with the black color and giving it first the borders of the bralette, and then I'm gonna add net fabric and then over it embroidery. Yeah, for net fabric I'm giving this kind of lines very lightly and giving a crisscross line. As you can see, the net fabric is in a square box, so that's what you want to make. That's kind of effect you have to show in this, and by doing this you can achieve that kind of effect very well. You guys can see it's looking really nice, little bit of realistic also. So just give this type of strokes and you will get the net fabric wala effect. And this shadow, don't forget to add shadow. And in top of this I'm gonna put embroidery with the black pen. So you guys can draw any embroidery, any design that you want. Here I'm just going with a very simple one with little bit of leaf and a rose flower, and it's very easy to draw a bralette. You can try it as well, and you guys can also show me your work on by tagging me on Instagram. My handle is Deena's Creation. You can use the hashtag or just tag me. I will feature your work as well on my Instagram. So I'm giving the same embroidery design on the other side as well. And now I'm just gonna draw lace, which is a lace fabric, and this will look really sexy, classy, and it's looking really good though. And again for net fabric I'm just giving a little bit of crisscross lining, and this is the lace I'm drawing with the same of rose flower and the leaves. So I'm just keeping the embroidery work very basic, not too much. So this is all about today's illustration. Hope you all enjoy this video. Comment below what you think about this illustration, and also follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video, share this video, and comment what else you guys wanna see. And I'll be coming soon with my next illustration. Till then, see ya. Bye.